Lטקריt's been a big part of the growth and the success in the industry.
The name Lטקריt stands as a benchmark for quality, for innovation, for new products, for technology.
They're a very innovative company. They bring new products to the market. If you're handling Lטקrit products and you're going along with them, then your company's right in there with them as a leader in technology too.
Industry leaders, innovators, pioneers. Lטקrit International is a worldwide manufacturer of tile and stone installation systems, but we are much more. For 50 years, we've been first to market with groundbreaking products, making tile and stone easier to use, faster and more affordable to install, effortless to maintain, open to more versatile applications.
Lטקrit is a pioneer in the whole industry. I mean, this is a company that come up with innovation and new products every time that you look at them.
We support our products with an unmatched commitment to our customers.
Highly ethical, they watch our back, they back up their products. They're there for us. When we need them, they're there.
Lטקrit is the definition of an ethical company. Lטקrit delivers what it promises, always within the rules of ethics and always with a human touch.
And we match the quality of our service with the quality of our products.
We like to say that Lטקrit is our largest vendor and represents less than 0.5% of our problems, which is a high compliment in our industry.
Lטקrit International was founded on the principle of making tile and stone easier and more efficient to install. In 1956, despite advancements in many other areas of construction, tile and stone installation was virtually indistinguishable from 100 to 1,000 years prior.
50 years ago, tile and stone were predominantly installed with the same methods that were used dating back to the time of the Romans.
Henry M. Rothberg, chemical engineer who had grown up working in the tile and marble industry, basically put the emerging polymer chemistry that he was learning about to solve problems that he had encountered, became aware of while he was working in the marble business.
I went to a company called U.S. Rubber Company in Connecticut, which later became Uniroyal. And I said to them, I believe we can do a better job in this industry.
So the basic idea was basically a special liquid rubber that was mixed with Portland cement and would make a high-strength, flexible, strong adhesive.
Most contractors call it thin bed or thin set to abbreviate it. But the true description is Portland cement-based thin bed adhesive.
The invention of thin set was a key to really open up the market to more people and to more projects. It really just made people comfortable to use ceramic tile and stone now.
Because it was now thinner, faster, lighter. It's meant the ability to put tile over wood, which you traditionally couldn't do.
And that allowed the installation of tile in many areas where previously it would not have been considered.
Actually, they have helped to, I would say, raise the consumption of tiles because they have found new places where to put the tiles.
What followed has been a 50-year tradition of technological innovation.
Mr. Rothberg, he was basically the man out in the field. He knew the industry. He was constantly at job sites. And he would notice what problems the contractors were having. And he'd come back, he'd say, you know, I saw this problem, what can we do to solve it? And most of our products were developed that way.
Products such as sound control underlayment, crack suppression systems, epoxy grouts, and the first waterproofing membrane for use directly under tile installations. And that tradition of innovation continues today with the development of late epoxy 310 adhesive, the cordless mixer, and SpectraLock Pro grout.
Lטקrit has been in the forefront in trying to help find the needs of the market and make products that meet the needs of the customer.
Buildings are becoming taller, becoming lighter, and they are built faster than before. So there is a need for a new method, advanced method, to install tile and stone.
We sell a system approach to a project, not just a single product. So when we go to a project, we look at surface preparation, we look at screeds, renders, adhesives, waterproof membranes, and the such. So the Lטקrit is associated as a system in the industry.
The products, all of them that have come out, have all been really user-friendly. They've been very easy for contractors to understand how they work, very easy to use, and they've made the job of contracting easier.
Lטקריt's spirit of innovation is not limited to our products. Driven by a company philosophy to provide unmatched service to the customer, Lטקריt founded the first domestic and international school for tile installers, instituted the first toll-free technical support line, then went online with the industry's first website.
Lטקrit's customer service is second to none. Their technical service department knows the product, knows the industry, knows construction.
When you ask them to sort something, they come back to you and say, yes, we can do it this way or we can do it that way. And we've found that very helpful. When we've had something that we're not quite sure of, we've asked the question and they've come back and said, yes, we have a product that will do that.
La qualità del prodotto sicuramente, come ho detto prima, dal punto di vista soprattutto ecologico, tecnico perché hanno delle risposte precise e sicure, mentre altri prodotti italiani non hanno.
We work with the consultant and we work with engineers, we work with architects. So we are not there just to sell our material. We are there from the very beginning, from the conception stage, from the design stage.
En el periodo que tenemos trabajando con ellos o Lטקריt, hemos notado que la comunicación ha sido muy positiva. No estamos hablando con una persona, pero estamos hablando con un amigo, una cara conocida.
We also feel good about doing business with Lטקריt because business with Lטקריt is not just business with the strict rules of business, but it's a relationship. It's about the people of Lטקריt. There is a spirit at Lטקריt that we like. There is a culture that we like.
This combination of innovative products, outstanding quality, and unparalleled customer support has made Lטקריt the name builders, owners, and architects choose when designing and constructing marquee projects around the globe.
We were the material that was selected for all the tile and stone on the World Trade Center in New York, and also on the Sears Tower, and also on Petronas Towers. And the three projects each were the tallest building in the world at the time they were built.
There's a building right now in Dubai that's being constructed. It is going to be the world's tallest building. It's called the Burj Dubai. The projections are it will be at least 800 meters high. That's over 2,600 feet. It is going to have 7 swimming pools in the upper floors, and Lטקריt will provide all of the waterproof membranes for them.
Certainly one of the landmark projects of the Beijing Olympics is called Water Cube. It's a very interesting building, and Lטקריt has supplied all the waterproofing, adhesives and grouts for the swimming pools in this building.
Religious institutions like the mosques have used Lטקריt on their dome structures where they're installing 24K gold mosaics.
The heavy-duty flooring installations in rapid transit systems, from the Washington Metro system to the Singapore Rapid Transit.
Architects like Caesar Pelli, W.S. Atkins, RSP International, HOK, and Daryl Handishar. Contractors such as Bouygues, Hyundai, Al Habtoy Engineering, Marion Roberts, China State Construction, and Larsen Tolbro Limited have all used Lטקריt on their projects.
The reason that those jobs have gone to Lטקריt is because we were specified by architects that are concerned about getting the job done right, and were used by installers who agree that that's the best way to approach their work.
Lטקrit is not just specified by architects or contractors. Some of our customers are the end users themselves, like Microsoft, Aramco, Carey4, Disney, all realise the value of Lטקrit.
The quality of our products has created a worldwide demand. Today, Lטקrit products are manufactured in 15 countries and distributed in 50 more.
We've grown from a small company to a company that's doing business in virtually every country of the world, wherever tile and stone are installed.
It's a truly international company with a very sound and coherent international strategy.
We're active in every continent except Antarctica. We have customers and projects that go back 30 to 50 years, literally from the first days of the company.
We are a local company in every community that we serve. We adjust, we develop technologies, installation materials for tile and stone for specific markets. So we're local, but we're global. We're small enough that you can actually talk to us, but we're large enough that we have the reach for technology and a global approach.
As Lטקריt's past is a story of constant innovation, so too is our future. We continually strive to develop new products, new methods of manufacturing, marketing, support, and training, and to discover new markets.
Lטקריt's plans for the future are really just an extension of what we've done to date, just doing it additional countries, continued introduction of innovative products that allow people to do tile work faster, cleaner, lower cost, better performance, and we'll continue to be on the forefront.